Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're reviewing a smart door lock, but with a twist. We've been using this smart lock as a family, every single day, to really put it through its paces. So, buckle up for an in-depth look at how it performs in daily life. We installed this smart lock a few weeks ago. It's been the main access point for our home. With kids, pets, and busy schedules, we needed something convenient, secure, and reliable. Before we get into it, let's talk about the specific model. We're reviewing the XYZ Smart Lock. Key features include keyless entry, remote access, and robust security. Does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. First impressions? Setup was easy. The instructions were clear, and installation was straightforward, taking about an hour. The lock feels solid and well built. The build quality gives off a premium vibe. Now, let's talk about unlocking the door. The XYZ Smart Lock offers a few different entry methods: the keypad, fingerprint scanner, the smartphone app, and a traditional key. The keypad is a lifesaver. It's perfect for the kids and guests. The fingerprint scanner is convenient. It mostly works flawlessly, but we experienced a few hiccups. The smartphone app lets us lock or unlock the door remotely. We've used this to let delivery people inside or make sure the door is locked. The app also monitors entry and exit history. The traditional key is a backup, and we appreciate it. So, how has the XYZ Smart Lock performed in our daily lives? Let's break it down. Convenience is a major win. No more fumbling for keys or getting locked out. The kids can come and go easily. Security is another crucial aspect. The lock uses encryption to protect against hacking, and the entry history gives us peace of mind. Reliability is mixed. The keypad and app have been very reliable, but we've had occasional issues with the fingerprint scanner. Battery life has been impressive. The lock alerts us when the battery is running low. Overall, we're happy with the XYZ Smart Lock. There are a few things that could be improved. The fingerprint scanner could be more reliable, and the app interface could be more user-friendly. Also, the price point is a bit higher. However, considering the features, we think it's a worthwhile investment. The XYZ Smart Lock has simplified our lives. We feel more secure. Overall, we'd give it 4.5 out of 5 stars. Would we recommend it? Absolutely. If you're looking for a reliable and easy-to-use smart door lock, the XYZ Smart Lock is worth considering. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews. See you in the next video. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a review of a smart door lock, but not just any review. We're looking at it from the perspective of daily family use. We've had this smart lock installed and in operation for a while now, and we're ready to share our experiences. The good, the bad, and everything in between. First off, let's talk about the initial setup. The installation process was surprisingly straightforward. The instructions were clear, and we were able to get it up and running in under an hour. Now, this will vary depending on your door and the specific lock you choose, but overall, it was a smooth process. One of the biggest advantages of a smart lock is the convenience. No more fumbling for keys in the dark or worrying about losing them. With this particular lock, we have a few different access options. We can use a keypad, which is great for the kids and anyone who might not have their phone with them. There's also the option of using a smartphone app, which allows us to lock and unlock the door remotely. Providing added security and peace of mind. Plus, the app keeps a log of all activity, so we always know who's coming and going. This is a great feature for monitoring the kids when they get home from school. Now, let's talk about the security aspect. We've also set up automatic locking, so we never have to worry about accidentally leaving the door unlocked. Of course, no product is perfect, and we did encounter a few minor issues. The battery life, for instance, could be better. We've found ourselves changing the batteries a bit more often than we'd like. Also, the app, while generally reliable, can sometimes be a little slow to respond. It's a minor inconvenience, but it's worth noting. Overall, our experience with this smart door lock has been overwhelmingly positive. It has made our lives more convenient, provided enhanced security, and given us peace of mind. The initial investment was well worth it. If you're considering a smart lock for your home, we highly recommend it. Just be sure to do your research and choose a model that meets your specific needs. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tech reviews and helpful tips. And, as always, let us know in the comments below what you think of smart locks and what other tech you'd like us to review. We'll see you in the next one.